Hello friends, Running Kimono, and I kind of went overboard today with the gift sets. I really went hard because all these gift sets were 50% off over at Walgreens. If you catched this morning's video, I know a lot of you had a lot of success over at Walmart. And yeah, there's lots of deals to be had and found. I'll probably have a Walmart video tomorrow for you guys. But I have to really confess something to you. First thing this morning, I went to Walmart around 7:30 in the morning. I was like, I think they opened at 6. Somebody showed up at 6 o'clock and cleared everything out. It was either that or the staff boxed it up and it's being sent to Siberia or something like that. But very frustrating clearance shopping. And 7:30 when they open at 6, that's like early. But yeah, who knows? But let's talk about this deal right off the cuff. If you can do this deal ASAP, get your coat on, get to the store, because this is a $4 moneymaker and it's wild. So the deal is this week to buy 3 of these body washes, and you can buy like 2 soft soap and 1 Irish Spring, but you have to buy 1 of each because this morning we got a very generous $2 coupon off of this and off of this. Thus, you have to buy 1 of the dude stuff. But you know, recently I gifted some of this dude body wash to one of my family members. So like a boomerang, this stuff always comes back to me. So this is what I did for my transaction. 1 ladies, 2 men, that's $10. And then we have a $2 off of this and a $2 off of this. The new total is $6. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish. I had a gift card that I utilized for this. And what I got back, guys, was $5 for the weekly promotion for this and yet another $5. So there's some sort of glitch or mistake or something weird going on. And that was an extra little $5 for me. So that made this free plus a $4 moneymaker. And I want to give a very special shout out and thank you to Dawn's Deals. She tested this out first thing. And I noticed it when I did my $35 basket over here that I got an extra $5. But she verified it this afternoon. So this is a run deal. How long this is gonna last is unknown. If not, it'll be like $1 for 3, which is still a fire deal, but I would move on this right away. Get your coat on, get out to the store, you know, just make it happen, guys. I also want to let you guys know that in this weekend's newspaper, and it's not the beginning of the month, it's like today's the 26th, the P&G for January. Now my little town, I'm getting tideless, but I only grabbed 4. I'm gonna stick with digital coupons, but sometimes you need these extras, so I had 4 chintzy inserts. So you might want to go to the gas station, or if your Walgreens may sell some inserts or sell some newspapers, you might want to pick a couple up so you can participate. And usually this insert has like the best coupons if you like the P&G products. Okay, so I had a spend 35 get back 8, one of those boosters that came out of the Catalina machine, plus I had a digital which was to spend 20 get back 5. I did this on husband's card, I did this on my store card. So I grabbed $20 of body wash, so 10 and 10. And then buy 3, get back 5, plus I got back an extra 5 for this. Only an extra 5, it wasn't an extra 10. And then I needed something to get my basket. I was $15 short from getting to 35. So these are on clearance for $2.50. If you like Dr. Teal's as much as I do, this is like a no-brainer. So $2.50 times 6 is 15. So that's $35 on the nose. So I went with some clearance stuff. I got the cashier to scan the spend 35, get back 8, plus I had my booster loaded. And then I had 2 register rewards. I had a $4 one from Godiva, plus a $5 one from Crest last week, so that's $9 off right there. Plus a $2 off for this lady and a $2 off for this guy. So after everything was said and done, I used my debit card and charged $22 to it to pay down all of this. And then I got back $28 in Walgreens cash. 8 for the booster, 5 for the digital booster, and then for this, I got 5 for this, 5 for this, and the glitch 5. So it made this free plus a $6 moneymaker for me. Really happy. So just to talk about these gift sets really quickly, I would have loved to have bought them at Walmart because they were a little bit cheaper at Walmart, like $4 and some change. But like I was telling you guys, I showed up at 7:30 this morning and there wasn't a crumb left in sight. So somebody cleared out the store and I was like, okay, well done. I still had a couple $5 store register rewards from the promotions in the last couple weeks. So I'm like, I'm going to buy some of these with them and just laugh all the way to the bank and back. Because I still think, you know, these at $5 a piece or this guy at $5, I still think that's a really good deal. So the Olay, this specific one, and the rebate for coupons.com, just to let you guys know, is at Walmart only. It's not at Walgreens, so But anyhow, this was $5 on the nose for a big body wash and this little rinse off. And then inside of the box is this coupon, which is a 4 off of 2, and it's valid up until next September, so I'll be able to use that even for clearance body wash or something. I'll figure out a deal for that, so I'm very delighted with that. And then this guy, I got 2 different variations of the Old Spice. I just thought it was a really nice little gift kit. So we have the Bear Glove and Fiji. And then this is also in the top, which is a 6 off of 3 and a 4 off of 2. So, and these coupons expire next October. So I'll find something between now and then to use these with. So very delighted to get a couple P&G coupons inside of these boxes. Now, a lot of you might say, well, you should use these coupons on these gifted. Yes and no. It has to be for a gift set, which is a very specific coupon. I don't want any trouble at my local Walgreens, so I just decided to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, along with those stupid $5 store register rewards. So that's what I utilized. Now, the raw sugar, I've had my eye on this like all Christmas, and it's like something exploded on this one, but this is the only one left in the store. It comes with a lotion, a cold press, and then a lip balm, and this was exactly $5, and I used a $5 store register reward with, so I'm very delighted with that. I'm gonna throw out this box right away because it's gross. Now, this is probably my favorite find. One store had a huge amount of Dr. Teal's, and I did not clear the store, guys. There was just a large amount of it, so I was like, what? So very delighted with this. The different scents include bath salts and a bubble bath. We have lavender, eucalyptus spearmint, melatonin, and then this orange one, which seems very like it'll wake you up in the morning or at nighttime. It'll, you know, probably this one for nighttime, this one for the morning. Now, these are $2.50 each, and they will not last the next round when this stuff hits 70 or 80, it'll all be gone. And even at Walmart today, like whoever showed up at 6 o'clock in the morning, like hats off to you, because they must have showed up with like a cube truck or something, because what I saw on the 23rd and 24th was end caps full of stuff. And then when I walked in today, like in an hour and a half, how did they do it? So the mystery is there, and whoever this clearance shopper is, they got everything at the store. There wasn't a crumb left. You know, like that scene from The Grinch when he pulls up that Yule log from the home and that's the last thing that's gone. It was similar to that. Okay, so tomorrow I'm gonna have my little Walmart haul, and I also did a lot of Lowe's shopping today, getting more stuff at 75% off. And watch out for that video tomorrow because there's gonna be a lot of great info in there too. Okay, so that's it. We'll catch you in the next one. At the very least, get out and do this deal right away, because who doesn't like a $4 money maker? I certainly do. Bye, guys.